So, hello everyone. My name is Hannah Malapaz, and today we'll be working on SQL problems. So, the first problem that we're gonna solve is this. Identify the three most active borrowers in each library along with the total number of books borrowed, grouped by library and sorted by borrow count. So, first, we select the library name. So, daghan daay nga tables atong i-join ani. We have the borrow details, the book details, the transaction, and library. Then naput tayo person details and person. So, first na to nga i-select is the library name and then the borrower name. Borrower name na siya. And then total books borrowed. Dapat maonis siya ang gawas sa ato ang table sa result later kung mahuman nato ang code. So, from and then una ka select. Is it this subquery? It's called subquery. Select. Dire dahil itong ato ang nabalaan sa una. L.library name, balik na to. Library name. And then, concat. Concat na to ang first name sa person. First name. Then, ano siya. Single quote para na space between first name and last name. Then, the last name. P, that last name. Then, i-alias din na to siya as borrower name. Ano na siya kani? Ni. And then, next, ana, is gamitin na to ang sum na function. Diba? We calculate the total number of books borrowed by using the sum function. So, sum, wait, sum, sum, borrow details, BD, quantity. O ng name sa table, quantity. And then as total books borrowed. Siya. Dapat magawa sa atong table later. Result. And then, naman from na punta, from borrow details na table. Mao siya namalista nga tables, mga foreign keys. ED. And then, we start mag-energy na ganita. Book details PD on PD.book details ID equals to PD the na details that books in book details ID. Next na itong inner join is the table book. B on a PD details that book ID. Tama ba? Let's try. Book ID. Next nga inner join na to is inner join transaction. E. Tama ba? Wait. Why? Let's try. Later naman. On BD that borrowed details ID. Huh? It's equal to P dot borrowed. Next is ang library nga table. So, join library and on the that library ID is equals to L dot library ID. Then, last daghan kaya atong join nga mga tables. Person details then next, PD on PD dot ano BD dot person details ID equals to P dot person PD dot person details ID. Lastly nga ato ang table nga i-join is the table person. Person P on um PD dot person ID. Ano ba? Equals to P dot person ID. Yes. Because next ana is i-group by nato sila. Ba? Group by nato sila. We need to group the data by library name and borrower name to ensure na we calculate the total number of books borrowed by each person. Per library po na siya. Mga problem. So, we need to group by dot L dot library name. And then P person ID, then P dot first name, P dot last name. Ano na siya? Query. Next, kanang kana siya nga um, next nga is as rank borrowers na sila. I-alias natin na sila tanan as ranked borrowers. Where the entire row is row num, number sa row is lesser than or equals to 3. And order by a function, library name, total books borrowed. Sending na yun. We'll try if it will mo-work ba? No. What do you mean? Not unique? What do you mean? Not PD. Yes. Borrow details. Oh yeah. Supposedly details na siya. See? Yes, will work ba? The library name is So next, in code. Yes, here. Since isa naman ang borrower sa SIA library, so isa lagi ang na-diri COT pod, there 3 taps 3 sa graduate library, duha ra pod ang nag-borrow. Sa main library, siya. Kung na nato, we have to create views. Create view. Create view na to siya. Sa ito pa tab, borrowers by library view. Alias. Ito, anak. No? Tapi sa nato siya para sa to ang procedure later. Then go. Here, makita nato diri. Go here. Here, makita na nato sa views. Diri, makita na nato ang result sa kadto nga problem. First problem, here. And then the next thing we will do is create a procedure. Diba? At sa to copy siya. Then the limiter, or pwede po siya dollar sign. Oh, we'll use this. Then create procedure. We'll name it get the borrowers by library. Yan. And then begin. Kana siya i-copy ra dayon nimo ang code na ikan sa imuhang SQL code. And then here mag-end of course. Then the limiter. Here if we try to run, gana. Here, there din mo makita ang procedures na inyong imo. Okay, kung i-execute na to siya, makita na to ang result na ato ang kailangan. Here, as you can see, so that's all for this problem. Thank you for listening for this. Thank you.